The following text both describe someone returning lost money. This text is from the point of view of Jessica, a woman whose lost purse was returned. Good. I was afraid. Awfully means extremely. Very. I was awfully surprised at my lost purse was held to me with all of my money still inside. I would like to offer a reward to whoever did this good deed. Did I believe the mystery? Hero should step forward. And escape. Accept. Praise. Let's know this word. Praise. Praise. What's that?
Awfully.
Very. Extremely. Okay. That's awfully. Nice. You. Okay. Yeah, extremely very. Why it takes so long? Okay. Praise. Now, spoken or written words about the good qualities of someone or something. Okay. He deserves
Praise.
He deserves praise for the way he has handled this crisis. He deserves praise. Okay. Now. Okay, can spell it? Praise. Praise. Now. Okay. You should. Okay, the good words about something. words about good quality of someone. That's praise.
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 I believe the mystery hero should step forward and accept
Praise for this, his or her
rare.
rare
Rare is a very, not very often, very rare. Honesty. Honesty, tell the truth. Okay, honesty. Honesty. Okay, the H is silent. Honesty. It's a noun. What's that?
Praise.
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 Okay.
Words without about our good
Quantity.
quality
Quantities.
of someone he deserves praise.
Okay.
Praise.
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 Can I spell
Praise.
it?
Praise. Praise.
Honesty.
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 Okay, the H is silent. Honesty.
Honesty.
Honesty. The
Quality
of
being
being
fair and truthful.
truthful.
Okay.
The quality of being
Honest.
honest.
Honesty, the adjective. Honesty is noun.
Now,
You add a Y, it becomes noun.
Honesty.
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 Okay.
Honesty. Honesty. He demand honesty from everyone who works for him.
Okay.
Honesty.
Honesty.
Can I spell it?
Honesty. Honesty.
Honesty.
Honesty.
Okay. Integrity. Truthfulness. Okay. Telling the truth. Okay. Okay. I believe the mystery hero should step forward and accept praise for his or her rare. Okay, let's read it louder.
This text is from the point of view of
Stacy.
Stacy, the woman who returned the lost house when I held the lost bag to its owner. I didn't think that much of it. I believe that most people would do the same thing. I am not looking for
Honor. Okay, honor. Honor. Oh no, it's a brand. Okay.
honesty.
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 Honesty. Telling the truth
Okay. George Washington.
has gone down in history for his honesty.
Good honesty. You cut a tree, right? You tell people he did that. Oh no.
You want, you should never
honor,
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 honesty,
Honor, okay.
good name,
Okay. Respect.
respect
Okay.
that we was treated with honor,
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 Okay, can spell.
HONOR, honor.
Okay. Honor.
Award,
Okay. Prize. Okay. Okay. I'm not looking for louder. Rewards.
rewards, the money wasn't mine in the first place. No one deserved.
Deserve. Okay. Discover. Okay. Discover. Deserve. You see, that's a big difference. Right? That's a big difference. Okay. Okay.
Discover, deserve, discover, deserve, discover, deserve, discover, deserve.
Okay.
Wrote. I want you just go on.
No.
Just.
Okay. The money wasn't mine in the first place. No one
Deserves a prize for doing what is right.
Okay.
How is Stacy's point of view different from
Jessica's.
Stacy describes how it feels to lose a house. Stacy creates a sense of anger about the lost purse. Stacy describes how it feels to be a hero. Stacy creates a sense that honest actions
These are non-actions.
are common.
Okay, so which one?
Stacy creates a sense that honest actions are common.
Okay.
Submit.
Okay, we can stop here.